In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Beko warranty. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, which is beko.com, and then it's going to ask you to select your country. So over here, you must first select your country where you actually purchased your Beko product. So I'm going to go Europe over here, then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select UK over here. So it's going to be in English for you. So depending on whichever region or country you select, the website may look a bit different. However, all of them should have the ability for you to actually register the product. So let me show you how to do that. Click on your country and then it's going to take you to their official website here, and then you can scroll down, and then down here at the very bottom of the website somewhere you should be able to see product registration. Now over here on the UK website, as you can see, it's under support, so likely it's going to be under support or something similar, and then it's going to say product registration. So just click on that and this will take you to a separate page here, which again is going to look a bit different depending on which country you're from, but it's going to be something like this. You'll have to scroll down, and here you'll have to enter your model number, and then here you can just go ahead and select it and click on it, and it's going to show you basically your registration details, and you have to click on register now over here as well. And when you do that, it's going to take you to yet another page here where you basically have to put in more info about your product that you have. Okay, so here, as you can see, it's asking what appliance are you registering. I'm gonna just do dryer right now, and then it's going to ask what type. I'm gonna do a washer dryer, and then is your washer dryer built in? I'm gonna do no, and then here it says how much did it cost. You can just go ahead and specify the price, and then it's going to allow you to select when you actually purchased it. I'm gonna do the 10th of December 2025, and then continue. And then over here you also have to put in your model number and then your serial number. Now, if you can't find them, just click on these buttons here. It's going to show you exactly how to do it. Or if you know the specific model, you can just Google, like for example, a model and then how to find serial number, and somewhere on Google, I'm sure you'll be able to find it. When you put all that in here, press continue again. It may require a few additional steps, a few additional information in here, but when you put all that in, you'll be able to go ahead and confirm everything, and then basically get your product registered for warranty. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.